Great news! For a short time, Georgia SurgiCare and Ideal Body Institute is offering over $25,000 in savings. This sale includes most of bariatric weight loss, acid reflux, hernia repairs, and women's health procedures. Click on the link to claim your savings now. Come and see us at our state-of-the-art locations in Buckhead or Loganville. Our highly trained staff will take care of all your needs and always greet you with a smile. We have phenomenal quality exam rooms to get you in and out of surgery quickly and safely. All of our surgeons are trusted across the nation, so you know that you're getting the best care possible. And we got your families and friends covered with all the refreshments we serve during your stay with us. Also, we offer telemedicine consultations, so you can find out which procedure is best for you, all from the comfort of your own home. So this is your chance to take the next step. No excuses. Give us a call at 678-466-6760 or text us at 678-903-1180 today. These crazy low prices won't last very long.